Hello friends, today we see the Cori cycle. Lactate produced by active skeletal muscle is a major precursor for gluconeogenesis. Under anaerobic conditions, pyruvate is reduced to lactate by lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate is dead end in glycolysis since it must be reconverted to pyruvate for its further metabolism. Very purpose of lactate production is to regenerate NADH so that glycolysis proceeds uninterrupted in skeletal muscle. Lactate or pyruvate produced in the muscle cannot be utilized for the synthesis of glucose due to the absence of key enzyme of gluconeogenesis. The plasma membrane is freely permeable to lactate. Lactate is carried from skeletal muscle through blood and handed over to the liver where it is oxidized to pyruvate. Pyruvate so produced is converted to glucose by gluconeogenesis, which is then transported to skeletal muscle. The cycle involving the synthesis of glucose in liver from skeletal muscle lactate and the reuse of glucose thus synthesized by the muscle for energy purpose is known as Cori cycle. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.